My name is Robert Kachinchi Scrub, one of the directors. We are privileged to have you as our partners in this project of performing arts to make sure that our adolescent boys and girls may benefit from us. Many of them have been taken away by drug abuse, alcohol, mentioned but a few, but we are trying to bring them together in this music industry so that we work together. What is more important and so special about this project, the component we are adding in is that we shall even teach them morals on how to live in a community without, with profits. We don't want youth who are loitering, we don't want youth who indulge in alcohol, in lesbianism, homosexuality, but we want to create an environment that is worthy for everyone to live in. Thank you.